Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find high-end niches for affiliate sites with AI in under 5 minutes. So this will be a really quick video, but it will be rewarding for you if you're looking to find niches that pay high commissions, and you're also looking to find a niche that you can actually rank for and do it really quickly and get plenty of ideas for niches with AI. It will help you. Before we get into it, do check the link out in the description. You'll see this page and it will give you a free income stream, especially if you're interested in this particular income stream. Check it out because I go in depth how to set it up and all the other things that you have to consider, SEO and all of that stuff. That's in the description below, and I'd love to have you with me. It's free, totally free. So what happens is when you opt in, you get the video guide straight away and you can go more into detail. So let's get straight on with it. Finding a niche in under 5 minutes with AI. Here we go. So the first thing that you want to do, I'm using ChatGPT. I am using the posh version 4.0, but this will also work with the standard ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. I want you to help me find a niche for an affiliate site that is high-end and easy to rank. Here is the criteria. High-end niche that will pay high commissions per sale. Must have searches and a hungry crowd of buyers. Must be easy to rank and provide me with keywords to start ranking for. Then what it's done is actually spat out a lot of these are the things that you should look for, but all we're interested in is identify potential high-end niches. So you can see here it's giving me some ideas. It's also giving me keyword research and difficulty analysis, some guidance, okay, different ideas there, and it's giving an idea on the volume as well as the competition. Then it's talking about competitive analysis and content strategy. We're not worried about that in this video. What I then did was I went up here and I looked at what it gave me, and you can see here number 2 was high-end home appliances. So the next prompt that I typed in was give me a sub niche within this one, high-end home appliances. Again, make sure it meets the 3 criteria and give me a way into the niche. What can I rank for? Okay, so then it's talking going high-end kitchen appliances, step-by-step analysis for kitchen appliances and so on. So it's talking again, give me a niche within that niche. Best high-end, luxury, high-end gas ranges, professional grade refrigerators, and so on. So what I did looking at this list is I actually went for high-end gas ranges. So that's in the list above, okay? And the next prompt that I want to do to identify the niche and identify whether it's a good one is give me the top 3 brands of that niche, the top 3 products, and keywords people search for, and also keywords with low competition. So you could expand on that if you want to, but here we go. High-end gas ranges, top brands, Viking, Wolf, Thermador. Then it's given me the top 3 products. Again, I'm not looking at this and thinking, okay, that's absolutely set in stone, but I'm just looking for some ideas. So you can see Viking, 5 series, 7 series, Thermador, and so on. Then keywords people search for, best high-end gas ranges, top luxury gas ranges, Viking versus Wolf, really good key phrase there, the versus, and then keywords with low competition. Luxury gas ranges under $5,000, best high-end gas ranges, and so on. So we've got lots of keywords to look for. We know it's a high-end niche, and we know there's brands there and people searching for them. So the next step is, and this is optional, I go to SE ranking in my case, and what I'm looking for is the search volumes. So I went straight in with gas ranges, but you can see here Viking gas range, one of the brands that was mentioned. It's only giving me a 30 in terms of difficulty, which is just a rough guide again, but there's 1,600 searches a month for 36-inch Viking gas range. Viking 36 range, Viking stove, 14,000 searches. So you can see it's if we widen up a little bit and I just put in gas range, you can see of course the competition goes up, but you can see gas range stove, gas oven range, loads and loads of searches. So we've got a good niche. The other thing to check is, I'll just show you this on Amazon. Like if you were using Amazon affiliates for instance, I've typed in gas range, and what I'm really looking at here is, are they, we know there's searches, so we know that they're selling, and then I'm looking at price points, and you can see here it is indeed a high-end niche. The other thing to bear in mind as well is what I can see for more keyword ideas is if I go to this bestseller, the Avanti, $748, I can then go to the freestanding ranges and I can look at over here, guys. On the left here, drop-in ranges, freestanding ranges, slide-in ranges, all the different versions, and I can also have a look at the price points and so on. You don't have to use Amazon, but there is literally what we've done is found a high-end niche, got some really good key phrases. The next step I would do is look at these key phrases and run searches for them to get some content ideas, but we know it's a good niche, we know it's high-end, and we know there's products in there that sell. So that's it. That's how you find a niche in 5 minutes. Give that a go. Follow those prompts. Go and do it. Let me know in the comments how you get on. Really simple. It will give you ideas, and at the end you'll be maybe not guaranteed with a niche that you're going to take action on, but you'll definitely have some ideas for niches that will pay you really, really well. Don't forget to pick up your free income stream below. It's totally free, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.